Good evening, everyone. There is this interesting statement that I have just found some hours ago. It says, "We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone." We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone. I think and I believe this is one of the best and encouraging words of Ronald Reagan during his presidency. And it reminds us that we have the power, we have the ability to show our care to someone who needs. The gospel today, the parable of the Good Samaritan, speaks about someone who is a neighbor, a good and loving neighbor who cares. And I think when we talk about caring, we should be able to say caring is sharing. Sharing is giving. Giving is loving. And loving goes back to caring. I would like to use the word care as an acronym for compassion, for availability, for respect, and engagement. C stands for compassion. The Good Samaritan in today's gospel shows his care through compassion. And it's very interesting. This Good Samaritan didn't ask question. He didn't consider whether that man lying on the way is belonging to his family or community. He didn't consider whether there are people around so that he couldn't receive gratitude or recognition. He just showed compassion. He saw a man lying on the ground. He was in pain, a half-dead man, and his heart responded with love. Compassion leads us to an act of love. It's hard to love without compassion. It's hard to care without compassion. If Mother Teresa were here in front of us, perhaps she might tell us that all of us can't do great things, but all of us can do simple things with great love. And I think caring is showing compassion with love. When we talk about caring, we talk about compassion. When we talk about caring, we also talk about availability. You know, in the gospel today, we might ask, why is it the Levites and the priests pass by on the other side? They might be very, very busy. They might be afraid, or they might be concerned on becoming unclean. But the Good Samaritan has just shown his availability. It's hard to care, it's hard to love if we are not available. I believe you are here because you are available. You are giving your time to the Lord because you love the Lord. You are giving time to participate in this Holy Mass because we are available. And that availability is a sign of showing care to our spirituality, to our relationship with God. Availability is one of the reasons why we are still believing. Availability is one of the reasons why we are still having a good, deep, and profound relationship with God. Are we available to engage to someone around us? Or do we just wait for someone to do it? Availability is a gift. It is a great thing to consider. And so, the question should be, am I available to serve those who are in need? C stands for compassion. A stands for availability. R stands for respect. When we talk about respect, it is seeing the dignity of every human person. Remember, we are created in the very image and likeness of God. And we respect other people because we are aware that that person is created in the image and the likeness of God. Even though that person is hard to deal with, even though that person is different from us or away from us, we should respect them, especially if that person is in need of something. That's what the Good Samaritan did in today's gospel. We are all called, each one of us is called to be a good Samaritan, good Catholic, good Christian, good believer, good follower. And so we learn from this particular parable in today's gospel. We should be compassionate. We should be available and respectful in many ways so that we will do what God is asking us to do. And then letter E stands for engagement. You know, that Good Samaritan in today's gospel did not stop in being compassionate, available, and respectful. He also engages with a lot of things. He was giving honor to the person who was lying on the ground. Remember that he took that man to an inn, paid for his care, and promised to return. He was engaged to a certain responsibility just to show his care. My dearest brothers and sisters, caring can lead us to holiness. If we care enough, we will be in heaven together. Because saints, the angels, the Blessed Virgin Mary, Jesus Christ, who is the visible of the invisible God according to our second reading, they all have shown greatest care in their lives while they were here on earth. Being a good neighbor is not simply to live next to someone. It is actually to embody the love of Christ in a real, intangible ways. Let us be people who care, compassionate in heart, respectful, compassionate in heart, available in time, respectful in attitude, engaged in action. At the very last portion of today's gospel, Jesus says, "Go and do likewise." May all of us be a good and loving neighbor who truly cares. May God bless us all.